Hi everyone, my name is Jeraldine Donguines, and I'm going to discuss the history of Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz and Sir Isaac Newton. Who invented calculus? Calculus was an invention of many people over centuries. There were ideas of calculus in ancient Greek times, and it proceeded to be developed throughout the centuries up until the time of Newton and Leibniz. But when it comes to who gets the credits for discovering one of the most revolutionary concepts in all of mathematics, the matter is a little bit unclear. Leibniz, a German polymath, occupies a grand place in the history. Leibniz was a child prodigy and a contributor in many different fields of endeavor. He was perhaps the first to explicitly employ the mathematical notion of a function to denote geometric concept derived from a curve, and he developed a system of infinitesimal calculus independently of his contemporary Sir Isaac Newton. He also revived the ancient method of solving equations using binary system. Like Newton, Leibniz was a member of Royal Society in London. During 1970s, he developed a very similar theory of calculus. Apparently, he had developed a completely theory of differential calculus and integral calculus. Unlike Newton, he was more than happy to publish his work. And so, Europe first heard about calculus from Leibniz in 1684, and not from Newton, who published nothing on the subject until 1693. During 1670s, Leibniz worked on the invention of practical calculating machine which used the binary system and was capable of multiplying, dividing, and even extracting the roots. Newton actually discovered calculus between 1665 and 1667 after his university closed due to an outbreak of the plague. Newton was only 22 at the time, and he preferred not to publish his discoveries. Meanwhile, in Germany, Leibniz discovered calculus independently, and he was very open with his findings. This led to a bitter dispute between the two mathematicians, later known as the Great Sulk. Today, it is well known that both men discovered calculus independently of the other, Leibniz about 8 years after Newton. Newton is best known for his work in physics and especially his three laws of motion. What is calculus used in real life? It is used to create mathematical models in order to arrive into an optimal solution. Example, in physics, calculus is used in a lot of concepts. Among the physical concepts that use concept of calculus include motion, electricity, heat, light, harmonics, acoustic, astronomy, and dynamic. Calculus is all about studying the rate of change of a quantity over time. In particular, it can be narrowed down to the study of the rate of change and summation of quantities. The two categories of calculus is called differential calculus and integral calculus. Differential calculus deals with the rate of change of a quantity, such as how the position of an object changes compared to time. Integral calculus is all about accumulation, or summing up infinitely small quantities. The fundamental theorem of calculus is what connects these two categories. This theorem guarantees the existence of antiderivatives for continuous function.